Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by opening your Google app and then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Voice Match and click here to enable Hey Google, and now scroll down and click I agree, then scroll down and click I agree again and click next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back. Then click on lock screen and click yes I'm in. Now click back and go back again and click on Gemini. And as you can see, my Gemini is enabled, so now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.